Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 11th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Don't blame me, please. Palantir, a little bit of a down day, 57 cents down at 22.35. That's 2.49%. Post-market, the numbers are all off. Looking at the chart, red candle, we opened above 22.75. So there was hope that we were going to stay above that number, but no. We went down to 22.09 and then we recovered a little bit towards the end of the day. We are still above our support, our climbing support, so we are making higher lows. So basically the lows are getting higher. This is a definition of a bull trend. Well, a bull trend also has the highs going higher. In this case, the high of today was lower than the high of yesterday. We are in this channel. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. As I mentioned, we opened right here. So this is the 9:30. We opened a little bit higher than the close of yesterday. Went close to 23. Let me see here, 23.20. And then went straight down. Went straight down for the next 2 hours. And then we started recovering a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. And as we see here, stochastic is pretty low. MACD crossed over bullish to express this really change in trend. So yeah, so from an hourly perspective, things are not looking super good. So basically, it would be very possible that we would be touching this support sometimes tomorrow. If we look at the daily chart, stochastic fell down to 60. Yes, it fell down, still over 50. MACD has not changed much. So from a MACD perspective, the current situation of being bullish is still on. From a DMI perspective, then DMI is seeing this as something of a negative. This is what happened. Tomorrow is going to be August 12th. So basically, this is the earnings call for Palantir. So I think this will be a catalyst for Palantir. Hopefully, Palantir is going to still increase its revenues and profits, and hopefully this will have an impact on the stock. Sometimes things are doing great on the earnings call and there are no impact on the stock. This happened with Tesla not too long ago. So it took 2 days for Tesla to really go up after the earnings. Maybe this is what is going to happen for Palantir. So let's just see until we have a move to make a move. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Join my YouTube channel for $5 a month and get exclusive access to my weekly recap I do during the weekend, where I do a weekly technical analysis of Tesla and Palantir so that you can get a more broader view, a mid to longer term view on those stocks. So join me. And I also do these weekly recaps live. So if you are free when I do them, then you can participate in the chat and we can chat and discuss together. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.